What is going on, everyone? This is Jacob Amaral here. At the end of each month, I go over in full transparency how well my automating trading systems perform. I code my own automated algorithmic trading systems and invest them with my own capital. And I want to share with you how well they perform at the end of each month. Do they do good? Do they do bad? And go over, how I can improve them. So this video is going to be November and December 2021. I know I'm slacking a bit. I should be doing it every month. So this is going to be those 2 months combined. Let's see how well they did and get started. All right, let's dive into the results here. What you're seeing on the screen is a trade performance report. It's sort of like a report card or summary of the performance of my trading systems. I personally use NinjaTrader to execute my automated trading systems, and NinjaTrader is a brokerage and a software. I just use the software portion as my brokerage is Interactive Brokers. NinjaTrader doesn't take international clients, they only take American residents. So I just use the NinjaTrader software, and that connects with my Interactive Brokers account to actually submit the trades for my brokerage. Okay, so here's the results here. You can see that from November 1st to today, I made $1,151.40 in net profit. This is US dollars, and this is after commissions and slippage and stuff like that. I only made short trades because I was running just a couple strategies that I'm testing, I guess you could say, and they were short only. So I made good bets in this scenario. So you can see that the long trades are all zero, and we just have short trades. And then you have some more stats here. I paid $132 in commissions. My profit factor is 1.26. Profit factor is sort of a calculation on the percentage in which you're profiting. So I think it takes gross profit divided by gross loss. So it would take, in gross profit, I had 5,500. In gross loss, I had 4,300. And then it calculates that into a ratio. I had a max drawdown of negative 2,000. So at one point I was down $2,000. And I believe that was around November time, because we did see sort of a solid dip in the market. Sharp ratio of 0.57, which isn't that great. Usually you want above 1. Sortino of 4.21, which is a different calculation. We had a 47% win rate, which a lot of you are interested in, but doesn't really matter. The average trade I made $67. Average winning trade was $693 in profit. Average losing trade was $488 in losses. Largest winning trade was $1,100. Largest losing trade was $700. And we made 17 trades over the 2 months. So we can take a look at the equity curve here. You can see the ups and downs of the market, and this is algo trading. I mean, this is normal for most traders, funds, hedge funds, family offices, that sort of stuff. It's never smooth. So this is cumulative net profit. So at one point I was up quite a bit more. We can look at net profit this is by day, right? So profitable days and losses, max drawdown, cumulative. We can see, I guess, yeah, it was December, around December 16th. We had that max drawdown. So yeah, these results are based off two systems, which is it's a gap momentum system where if the asset gaps X%, I'm going to enter a position on market open. And basically I have a profit target and stop loss. I believe it's a 3% profit target and 2% stop loss. And I'm running this with ES futures, which is S&P futures, and then Bitcoin futures as well, both micros. So yeah, decent return. Oh, I guess I should talk about the return. So in NinjaTrader, if I do percent here, you'll see this say 3.68%. That's based on the asset. It doesn't take into account your actual account value. So this is about probably my account's around 40K. So I guess that would be quick math. 10% would be 4,000. So we're looking at, I guess, a 3 to 4% return. So I guess, anyways, this number that NinjaTrader shows you is not correct. I just like to clarify that because it's not always true. But yeah, we're looking about around a 3 to 4% return in those 2 months, which, isn't anything to be amazing about. I mean, it's much better than, say, a savings account or keeping your cash in a checking account, but it's not crazy. People want to see crazy returns, and you just don't always have those. So, we made a profit. I made good bets, and that's what this algo trading is all about. You're making, bets and hoping those, bets are favorable. and they were. So we made some money, some profit. But yeah, going into the new year, into 2022, 2020, we saw, that dip in the market because of the pandemic, but the return was so quick, right? It was such a drastic drop and then a drastic return, which we haven't seen before. We've seen other dips in the market. I mean, we can't really compare it to 2008 or 2000 because those crashes it took so long to come to fruition. I mean, 2008 was like, we didn't see a bounce until probably 6 months to a year later. But with this recent one, it was such a drastic bounce, and the government helped out really quickly, and we saw a return to all-time highs and continue to make highs. S&P returned over 20%, I believe, the last 2 years, double digits, which is insane. So I think 2022, the volatility is going to be a lot lower in especially U.S. equities. I think it's going to be a flat year, to be honest, and strategies that go long and short and looking at different asset classes more. I think commodities, personally, I think commodities and cryptocurrencies will see a lot more volatility and a lot more opportunities for profits, where U.S. equities, I don't see the volatility there. I see the VIX kind of, staying pretty clear for the year, but I could be wrong. Who knows? But I think the volatility, at least for 2022, is going to be lower than 2021 and 2020. So that's my prediction. We'll see if it comes to fruition. Maybe I'll make a video at the end of the year referencing this video to see if I'm right or not. But anyways, that's my returns for the last 2 months, $1,151.40 in net profit. And yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going forward there and building great systems and making a profit. That's the whole goal, right? So anyways, that's the video, guys. I hope you found value. Let me know in the comments below if you trade, if you have automated algo trading systems, or if you want to get into it. I'm happy to help. We just launched a Discord, so please look into that. That'll be in the description below as well if you want to chat with me and chat with other algo traders and coders. We have that. I want to start doing some weekly or monthly voice calls on that. But definitely check out the Discord and join if you want to meet other like-minded traders and coders like myself. Anyways, that's the video, guys. We'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.